County Sheriff Joe Arpaio says he's ready to discuss accusations of civil rights violations leveled against his office. Thanks for choosing us tonight. I'm Katie Rammel.
And I'm Steve Irvin. But before the sheriff sits down with the Department of Justice, there's a few conditions he wants met. ABC 15's Hatzel Vela joins us now live. And Hatzel, what kind of conditions are we talking about here?
Katie and Steve, we're talking about conditions outlined by the sheriff and his attorneys in this 38-page document. Maricopa County's sheriff wants the Department of Justice to hand over proof of the allegations made against him.
If they don't, how can we cooperate? And if we don't cooperate, I guess they'll go to court.
It's in the courts where he tells me all the facts will come out. In a document 38 pages long, Arpaio's attorneys tell the feds there cannot be constructive dialogue if they don't provide facts and information on which it based its findings.
Put the facts and we'll work with them if that's true, and correct any deficiencies.
The list is long, but here are some of the things Arpaio's attorneys want. They want the stats to show deputies more likely targeted Latinos during traffic stops. They want names of those stops so MCSO can interview them. They want proof of discriminatory jail practices. They want evidence of the claims that MCSO retaliates against individuals who criticize their practices.
I don't report to Washington, D.C. I report to Maricopa County people.
A clear message from some of the people he represents. It's time to go. The group that ousted Senate President Russell Pierce showed up hoping to deliver a letter and 2 coffins. One of them representing Marty Atencio, a veteran who died while in Arpaio's jail last month.
This is outrageous. This is not what you do with veterans. It's outrageous.
No more. No more are we going to stay silent. No more are we going to tolerate this type of corruption. He needs to resign today, and that is the only way that true cooperation can really be had.
We'll let the voters decide what they want to do with me.
And we just got a response from the Department of Justice, and I'll read it to you. Just got it on email. Our findings show a clear violation of the Constitution and federal law and are more than sufficient to file a complaint against a law enforcement agency. MCSO purports not to understand the underlying basis of the findings when MCSO's own actions and documents form the basis of these findings. Now, we also talked to Arpaio one-on-one, and he did talk about his political future. He says he will be announcing something new tomorrow. Reporting live in downtown Phoenix, Hatzel Vela, ABC 15 News.
All right, thank you, Hatzel. Check